naglabas na po ng warrant of arrest laban kay Atong ang isang korte mula sa Laguna, Santa Cruz, Laguna. Hawak na po ba natin ang warrant and when do we intend to serve it?
Diyan tayo nagpapasalamat, lalong-lalo na sa media. Napakabilis talaga. True that warrant of arrest were issued against Charlie T.V.Y. Ang alias Atong Ang at na-receive po or kasalukuyang nagko-coordinate po ang ating police dun sa concerned branch 26 of Santa Cruz, Laguna. And we have some of the personalities subject of that warrant of arrest are actually in custody sa Philippine National Police kasi restrictive custody sila doon. I think there are about 10 or 11 police personnel who are under restrictive custody, and they are now being directed to surrender to the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group. And the others, the dedicated teams of the PNP are now on their way to implement the warrant of arrest.
Are we anticipating any difficulty with the service of the warrant? Do we know the whereabouts of Mr. Ang?
Okay. We have certain procedures in implementing warrant of arrest, hindi lang warrant of arrest, at different police operations. This is a implementation of warrant of arrest. Meron tayong procedure and the PNP personnel, all PNP personnel involved are, of course, mandated na sundin ito. At gagawin nila ang lahat para ma-implement.
Again, yung whereabouts po ni Mr. Ang, tukoy po natin.
Tukoy ang ating warrant of arrest or location of Charlie Atong Ang, different location, and it will be served in those locations.